Fortune Candy Salon Desk versus Yatuka Walnut Wood Desk. This Fortune Candy desk is great for small spaces. It is 3.6 feet wide and wonderful if you're starting your own business from home. If you spill water, no problem. It just hangs out on top. Easy to keep clean. No fear when you're using this desk. The mirror is a beautiful size and wall mounts. The drawer organizer and lock are great, and the shelf along with your shelves on top make it wonderful for organization. This desk is super durable, great to use, and can be put to work. Now, the Yatuka walnut wood desk is very convenient in the house because of the 63-inch desk. It has this beautiful walnut wood color that just is beautiful, and it's so sturdy. The bookshelf is convenient for keeping things organized. You can put heavy items on this desk. It's a working space for two is just amazing. The knobs are also perfect, and this desk looks great against the wall or even in the middle of your living room. So if you are looking for a classy desk that you want to showcase, this is it. But the choice is obviously yours.